Welcome to the University of Lusaka. So first things first, I'm about to run you through the application process. So you log into the website. It's usually the first link at the top. When you reach the website, you go on portal and then new applicants. You select your program on the left side. Let's say for example it's medicine and surgery. You fill all these fields in, then you'll be able to proceed. So once all the fields are filled, you click next. It's loading now. Okay, once the process is completed, you receive an applicant number, which is your provisional ID, as well as a temporary password that you can use. And that's pretty much it, the process of applying.